Okay, guys. So the next question, again, this is the 27th of October. I'm going to try to answer this in 90 seconds. Is how to use premium or fee-based card themes that you buy on a marketplace outside of card within your card account. So here is an example. Great theme shop I've covered before. If you hit Start Editing, it's free. This will load directly in your card back end. And as you can see, some of these are, all these have the same heuristic. They're free. You click on this, you can preview them here, and it'll load in your card account. Now, when it comes to fee-based cards, let's look at this one here. I really don't want to pay for this right now, so I'm going to take a chance. But if I click buy for $9, you will see I will click on this. It'll load in my card back end. And here is the price. And I can literally pay for this in the back end of my card account. As you can see, it's going to cost me nothing because I have affiliate commissions that card owes me that I haven't, redeemed. So actually, I'll just get this theme for free by debiting my affiliate earnings within the card ecosystem. But it's still $9. I'm just giving up affiliate commissions that I would later have access to if I wanted to redeem them.